Welcome back, everyone. Sean Stevens here again with Metroplex Mortgage Services and another USDA Loan Pro video quick tip. What are builder or contractor approval requirements for a USDA renovation loan? How do you qualify for a no down payment USDA renovation loan in Florida, Texas, Tennessee, or Alabama? USDA guidelines state the following for contractor-builder approval requirements under a USDA renovation loan. Unless otherwise specified, the rehabilitation and repair construction loan process should be closed and managed following the same procedures described in the single close feature for new construction. As you can see, today's subject is a great crossover topic since these requirements mirror what I have discussed in prior posts involving the USDA Construction to Permanent single close feature, which allows for a no down payment construction loan with draws provided to the builder after closing for the construction of the home.
But remember though, the first step to any mortgage is a proper qualification. And as a USDA approved lender, that is what we do best. Just call or email to discuss your scenario, start a new pre-qualification, or to receive expert advice and take advantage of our free second opinion service.
USDA guidelines state the following in regards to contractor-builder requirements. A key to the success of the loan feature will be the financial stability and reputation of the builder constructing a home. The approved lender and their agent, if any, will be responsible for approving participating builders. Each builder seeking to participate will be subjected to a process that involves license verification, insurance validation, credit examination, reference verification, and a criminal background check. Minimum credit examination will include obtaining a commercial credit report on the business. In order to be eligible to work with the USDA single close construction to permanent loan, construction contractor or building requirements will include the following: 2 or more years of experience building and constructing all aspects of single-family dwellings similar to the type of project being proposed. Evidence of a state-issued construction or contractor license as required by state law or local law. Evidence of commercial general liability insurance with a minimum coverage of $500,000. The builder or contractor must have an acceptable credit history, being free of open judgments, collections, or liens related to previous construction projects. An individual credit report is required in addition to a commercial report on the business. The builder or contractor must not have a previous felony criminal record. A background check will be performed as part of the verification process. A builder may be limited to a determined number of units or terminated from participating in this program due to poor workmanship or failure to meet program guidelines. Contractors or builders who are constructing their own residence are ineligible. After the builder has been approved and closing has occurred, draws will be dispersed to fund the construction of the home, which will require the borrower's approval prior to each draw payment being made to the builder, along with other third-party evidence such as an inspection to document the work was completed for the requested draw. But before we go, I just want to thank everyone for continuing to make us your USDA lender of choice. Remember, just call or email to discuss your scenario and let us show you the Metroplex difference. Thank you again for forwarding and sharing today's video with any friends, family, co-workers, or clients who are looking to buy, sell, or refinance. As always, I want everyone to make it a great day and look forward to seeing you right here for the next tip of the week.